Row by column multiplication. The row by column multiplication that we looked at in the previous example was pretty simple because we used two matrices that had the same order. It was a 2 by 2 matrix multiplying another 2 by 2 matrix. So we had, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And we could very easily multiply across, down, across, down, across, down, and across, down. Okay. Now, your matrices are not always going to work that easily. They're not always going to have the exact same order. So I'm going to show you a diagram that's going to illustrate the matrix multiplication rule, and hopefully this will be helpful. In order for you to be able to multiply matrix A by matrix B, these two orders must be equal. So for example, you can multiply a 2 by 3 matrix and a 3 by 6 matrix. Or you can multiply a 2 by 2 matrix and a 2 by 4 matrix. As long as these two numbers here are exactly the same number, then you can multiply them together. The next thing that I need to explain to you are what we do with these two numbers. So once you get finished multiplying these two matrices, A and B, you're going to be left with a matrix that is a different order than the ones you began with. So you're not going to have an M by N matrix, and you're not going to have an N by P matrix when you're done. Your AB, or your product of the two matrices, is going to be the order of M by P. M by P. So for example, if we multiplied the 2 by 3 matrix by the 3 by 6 matrix, our final matrix would be a 2 by 6 matrix. If we multiplied a 2 by 2 matrix by a 2 by 4 matrix, our final matrix would be a 2 by 4 matrix. So I hope that this diagram helped. Make sure you have this diagram in your notes, because this is something that is kind of easy to get confused.